In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sender name in systemi.io. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to make your emails look polished and professional. The sender name is the friendly label people see in their inbox, and it's often the first thing they notice. Getting it right can boost trust, open rates, and brand recognition. Start by signing in to your system.io account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll be working inside the built-in email tools, so there's nothing extra to install or connect. From the main menu, head to emails, then open settings. This is the control center for how your messages are identified, and it's where you'll find options that apply across your broadcasts, automations, and campaigns. On the settings page, look for the field labeled default sender name. This is the display name your subscribers will see in their inbox when your emails arrive. Think of it as your storefront sign for email: clear, familiar, and consistent. If you're building a personal brand, you might use your first name and last name. If you're representing a business, your company name may be the best fit. Many creators combine both, like Jordan from Acme, to keep things warm while still highlighting the brand. Click into the field and type the exact name you want recipients to see. Pay attention to capitalization and spacing so it looks clean and intentional. Avoid special characters that might not render well, and steer clear of all caps, which can feel aggressive in an inbox. Consistency is key. Use the same sender name across your newsletters, automations, and campaigns so subscribers recognize you at a glance. A quick note on what this setting does and doesn't do. The default sender name controls the display name only, not the actual email address it comes from. That means your messages will still send from your configured email address, but the label in the inbox will match what you entered here. If you've built trust with your audience under a certain identity, stick with it so your emails are instantly familiar. That's all there is to it. You sign in, navigate to emails, and then settings, find the default sender name field, and enter the name you want people to see. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how your communications feel and perform. Keep it professional, consistent with your brand, and easy to recognize, and you'll set the right tone every time your emails land.